What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable camera short suggestions in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings, tap on camera and then click on this settings icon. Now in intelligent features section you will see a short suggestions button. So if you want to enable camera short suggestions, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable camera short suggestions, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So when you will turn on this button, you will get on-screen guides to help line up great shots. So that's how you can enable or disable camera short suggestions in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.